Today, I'm going to teach you how to print out a project in Adobe Express. This is a straightforward process that ensures your designs come out looking crisp and professional when you need a physical copy. First, open your web browser and head over to new.express.adobe.com. This will take you directly to the Adobe Express homepage where all your creative projects are stored. Once you're on the page, scroll down a bit until you see the Recent Files section. Here, you'll find your most recently edited projects displayed. Look for the option that says View All and click on it. This will give you access to your entire library of projects, making it easier to locate the specific file you want to print. Now browse through your projects and select the one you'd like to print. Click on it to open the project in the editor. Once your project is loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Download button. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up a menu with various export options tailored to different purposes. In this menu, navigate to the section labeled File Format. You'll notice a drop-down menu just below it. Click on that drop-down to reveal the available format options. From the list, select PDF Print Best for printing. This format is specifically optimized for high-quality physical prints, ensuring that your design maintains its clarity and color accuracy when transferred to paper. After selecting this option, click the Download button to initiate the process. Now you'll need to wait a few seconds for the download to complete. The time this takes depends on the size of your project and your internet connection speed, but it's usually pretty quick. Once the download finishes, look to the upper right corner of your screen again. You should see a notification or button that says New Download Available. Click on that and then click on the file you just downloaded. This will open the PDF in your browser or your default PDF viewer. With the PDF now open, find the print icon in the upper right corner and click on it. This will bring up your print settings dialog. Here, navigate to the destination section. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select your preferred printing option. This could be your connected printer, or you might choose to save it as a PDF if you want to print it later or send it to a print shop. Once you've selected your destination, simply click the print button. Your project will now be sent to the printer, and you'll have a physical copy of your Adobe Express design in just moments. And that's it. You've successfully printed your Adobe Express project with just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.